Hello guys, it's Unit 2, Part L. Now we need to understand few terms. If you see, in generally we'll say neck, abdomen, like that. In the fetal skull, there are few terms starting from mentum. Mentum is nothing but the tip of the chin. Chin is known as mentum. And glabella. Glabella is in between two eyebrows. Between two eyebrows, there is a soft region which is known as glabella. And from the glabella, that is from the eyebrows till the anterior fontanelle, till the bregma, till the anterior fontanelle, this whole region is known as sinciput. From the eyebrow till the anterior fontanelle, this is known as sinciput. And from the anterior fontanelle till the posterior fontanelle, this region is called as vertex. From the anterior fontanelle to the posterior fontanelle, this region is known as vertex. And from the posterior fontanelle till the behind of the head, this region is known as occiput. Mentum, glabella. This whole region is not called as mentum or glabella. Only this part is known as mentum and this part is known as glabella. From eyebrow to the anterior posternale, this whole part is known as sinciput and this whole part is known as vertex, and from here to here this whole is known as occiput. Mentum, glabella, sinciput, vertex, occiput. Now the diameters of the fetal skull. I'm really sorry that it's fetal skull, it's not fetal skin. The first is suboccipitobregmatic. Occipital bone is this one. This is the suboccipital place, and bregmatic is nothing but bregma region, this region. From here to here, and this diameter is known as suboccipitobregmatic and it's around 9.5 centimeter. And next, suboccipitofrontal. This is suboccipito and this is frontal bone. This one is known as suboccipitofrontal and its diameter is around 10 centimeters. Next, occipitofrontal. This is occipital and from here to frontal and it's around 11.5 centimeter. Next, mentovertical. This is the mentus, and this region is called as vertex. So mentovertical is around, here I have been mentioned 14 and here it is 13.5. It is nothing but this diameter varies from 13.5 to 14 centimeter. Both are correct values. Next we have submentovertical. This region is known as submento and this is vertical. Okay, submentovertical. They have been not mentioned in this picture, so I am mentioning on my own. This is submento and this is vertical. From here to here it's 11.5 centimeter in length. And next from here to here I have been not mentioned, but in this picture we can see the submentobregmatic. This value is around 9.5 centimeter. Don't get confused. If you understand the parts, you can understand the diameters easily. First learn the parts, sutures, regions, and then if you see the diameters, you can understand it very properly. Now we are going to see the transversal diameter. Those diameters we saw this before is the lateral diameter, and now we are going to see the transversal diameter. The first diameter that we are going to see is bitemporal diameter, and this diameter comes from the temporal bone which is present just below the frontal bone to the other temporal bone which is present in the other side. From the temporal bone to the other temporal bone, this diameter is known as bitemporal diameter and it's around 8.5 centimeters. And second is biparietal diameter. This biparietal diameter is calculated at the middle of the skull, that is from each end of the parietal bone. This is the exactly at the middle and these two bones are known as parietal bone. So this diameter is known as biparietal diameter and it's around 9.5 centimeter. And the next is subparietal and supraparietal diameter. One comes above the biparietal and other comes below the biparietal diameter. This diagonal diameter is known as subparietal supraparietal diameter, and this is around 9 centimeter. And next is this diameter is known as bimastoid diameter, and this connects the both mastoid bones and which is present behind the ear loops here. Okay, these two bones, this is ear and this is the bone. These two bones are connected, forms bimastoid diameter and it's around 7.5 centimeters. And this is bitemporal diameter, which you saw already. These are the diameters of the fetal skull. I will provide questions after completing this whole chapter. That's it for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.